The amazing flexibility of heat pumps for modern homes. One of the biggest reasons heat pumps continue to grow in popularity across Ontario is their remarkable flexibility. Unlike traditional heating systems that are limited in how and where they can be used, heat pumps adapt easily to different home styles, layouts, and comfort needs. Whether you're upgrading an older home, planning a renovation, or building new, heat pumps offer a level of versatility that few HVAC systems can match. Works in homes of all sizes and ages. Heat pumps are not just for new or modern homes. With the right system design, they perform exceptionally well in older homes, new builds, bungalows and multi-story homes, townhomes and condos. Ducted and ductless options allow homeowners to choose a system that fits their home structure without major renovations. Ducted, ductless, or hybrid options. Heat pumps come in multiple configurations, making them adaptable to nearly any situation. Ducted heat pumps integrate with existing ductwork, replacing or supplementing furnaces. Ductless mini-split systems are ideal for homes without ducts, additions, or rooms with inconsistent temperatures. Hybrid heat pump systems combine a heat pump with a furnace, automatically choosing the most efficient heat source based on outdoor conditions. This flexibility ensures comfort without forcing homeowners into a one-size-fits-all solution. Zone control for customized comfort. Many heat pump systems allow for zoning, giving homeowners precise control over temperatures in different areas of the home. Zoning benefits include personalized comfort for each room, reduced energy waste, lower heating and cooling costs, improved comfort in problem areas like basements or additions. Instead of heating the entire house the same way, heat pumps let you tailor comfort where it's needed most. Year-round heating and cooling. Heat pumps provide both heating in winter and cooling in summer, eliminating the need for separate systems. This all-in-one functionality simplifies home comfort while reducing maintenance and long-term costs. One system adapts to the season, keeping homes comfortable year-round. Ideal for renovations and additions. Heat pumps are especially well suited for home upgrades. Whether you're finishing a basement, adding a new room, or converting a garage, ductless heat pumps can provide efficient comfort without extending existing ductwork. This makes them a popular choice for homeowners modernizing their living space. Smart control and scheduling options. Modern heat pumps integrate seamlessly with smart thermostats and home automation systems. Homeowners can easily adjust comfort levels, set schedules, and manage energy use remotely. Smart controls add another layer of flexibility, allowing the system to adapt to daily routines and changing needs. Energy flexibility and cost control. Heat pumps use electricity and can work independently or alongside existing heating systems. This allows homeowners to reduce reliance on fossil fuels, adapt to changing energy prices, take advantage of energy-efficient upgrades over time. As energy policies and pricing evolve, heat pumps remain a future-proof solution. One system, endless possibilities. The flexibility of heat pumps makes them one of the most adaptable HVAC solutions available today. From different home layouts to changing comfort needs, heat pumps offer customized solutions that traditional systems simply can't match. For homeowners in the Durham region in Toronto, Twintech Heating Cooling designs and installs heat pump systems tailored to each home's unique requirements, ensuring comfort, efficiency, and long-term performance.